Control X can connect to a wide range of 3D scanners. Live Align allows you to quickly align the part to the CAD reference data. The Datum option will use probe features to calculate the alignment. In this example, 3 orthogonal planes are used.
Planar face. Planar face. Planar face. All geometries measured.
Entering the LiveCapture command allows you to capture scan data directly inside Control X. The clipping plane can be enabled to prevent capturing unwanted data below the scanned part. Here we are capturing point cloud data, but polygonal mesh data can be used instead if desired. Live Dimension can be used to quickly measure probed features and check the result against the reference model. In this example, an angular dimension is measured between 2 planes. Live Geometry can be used to capture probed measured geometry on the fly. The probe geometry can be used with many different inspection features later on.